This 2011 Forest River Rockwood Ultralight 2601S is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Taylor, Michigan, 48180 and is offered for sale by Vickers Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features refrigerator, LP detector, leveling jacks, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, self-contained, smoke detector, air conditioning, external shower, slide-out. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, outdoor entertainment, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2011 Forest River Rockwood Ultralight 2601S is 4,923 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Vickers Trailer Sales.